offered by Institute of Research Promotion. Institute is a non-profit organization serving the people involved in research, marketing research, management research, particularly academic research and development nature research. We serve people in data collection, survey design, statistical analysis, academic writing, capacity building, and number of other areas like publishing journals and doing funded research projects. So we are here to share with you people how workshops help you in producing quality research. You must have this question in your mind, and we have the answer in this demonstration. So we are here, me, Ahmed, and Ruzin, my colleague, to share with you why you should attend this workshop. So my dear, why to attend this workshop? You must have the question, do you want advancement in academic writing? If your answer is yes, then you are partner in our workshop, because this workshop offers latest developments and upcoming challenges in academic writing. My dear, if you want growth through publishable writing, yes, we have the answer. The workshop offers techniques of publishable writing and share its requirements. So you must produce publishable writing and enjoy academic growth. Then if you want to solve current obstacles in academic writing you are facing these days, the workshop offers you the answer. Yes, the workshop offers techniques of publishable writing and share its requirements. My dear, if you want international exposure in academic writing, the answer is yes. The workshop offers experience of resource persons from Asia and Europe, because we have the facility of interaction from all over the world. Why you want to attend the workshop? You want to upgrade by experiencing UP learning methodology. It's a very unique learning methodology offered by IRP. What it means? It means the workshop leads you to learning growth from understanding the challenges of writing to performing the challenges and then planning the challenges of academic writing. This workshop helps you to understand the issue and challenge in academic writing, then help you to meet those challenges, and then help you plan your challenges and issues in your career life. You will relate with the context of your life, your career, your attitude, your skills, and your scope of growing in academic writing. If you are looking for the workshop and you stay at the distance, you don't live in near around the location where the workshop is physically offered, so don't worry please. Yes, we have. The workshop provides you the opportunity to attend online through webinar and physically in various places. This workshop is offered physically in various universities and also available online, so you can easily attend this workshop while staying at the distance. My dear, finally, if you are looking for a workshop which can make the difference in your life, if you are thinking that how this workshop is going to create a difference in your life, yes, the workshop offers various online demonstrations to help you know about this workshop. Do attend our demonstration, our online webinars, and listen to the co-trainers telling you how this workshop will create difference in your life. You also have number of other options available on YouTube where methodology, content, areas of learning, and the outcome of the workshop is shared. So do attend online workshop. Do visit our irp.edu.pk website, or do contact our correspondent to see how IRP workshops help you to grow in academic writing. Thank you very much.